Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. It is official. Prodigal Son has released his Pure Gold album. It happened on the weekend as the artist celebrates 18 years in the music industry. He's releasing his 6th studio album, which has won the support of the gospel fraternity.
It's a blessing, you know what I mean? Prodigal is basically a veteran in the business. And when he reached out to me and said support, no question asked.
He has done a great work in gospel, especially reggae gospel, so we have to give him that support as his brothers. I believe the more we support each other, the further we can go together.
Brother, right now, I know why you done this thing, you know. Let's keep it going because gospel need you.
We share the highlights of DJ Nicholas, Kevin Downswell, Ryan Mark, and the man of the moment, Prodigal Son, delivering solid sets.
You bless me too much, I can't contain myself. You make me wanna do, and you supernatural. So let me be, no rehab for me. No rehab for me, me contention. So if you come to fight for real, contention, put some more. Remember see the altar, remember see the altar. Don't worry about them fast as well. God will say, so we are.
Raging Fire is getting louder and even hotter by the minute. The Jamaican reggae band Raging Fire is jetting off for a month-long tour of Europe and then North America. The group hits the Belgian stage on October 31 and then will make its way over to Sweden, the Netherlands, Germany and Switzerland throughout the month of November. The Grammy-nominated band will light up the Welcome to Jamrock Reggae Cruise in Jamaica before flying to the East Coast in the US to complete a North American tour between January to February of 2018. The 5-member band is seen as one of the most dynamic groups to hit the Jamaican music industry following their self-released albums Judgment Day in 2011 and Destiny in 2014. The group was formed in 2006 and continues to grow, having shared the stage with the likes of Damian Marley, Richie Spice and Jay-Z. Multi-platinum certifications for Chris Brown. The international hip-hop artist is currently receiving 8 platinum plaques for songs not previously certified, even after selling millions. The Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, has certified the single Look at Me Now, which features Busta Rhymes and Lil Wayne, 5 times. Other singles, She Ain't You, Strip, Beautiful People, and Back to Sleep also received platinum certification, while double platinum was given to Don't Wake Me Up, Deuces, and Yeah Yeah Yeah. Chris Brown is currently working on his new album Heartbreak on a Full Moon, due for release on October 31. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.